I would like to call upon respected Madam Dr. Chandani Kasturi Arachchi from Sri Lanka. Madam, please kindly come on the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Chandani Kasturi Arachchi, Orana, Sri Lanka. Dr. Chandani Kasturi Arachchi is felicitated in recognition of her outstanding contribution to the health of dance and for her unwavering dedication to the preservation, promotion, and enrichment of cultural and artistic traditions through her distinguished works. This honor is conferred during the Barak Cultural Festival 2026 held on 2nd, 3rd and 4th January 2026 and warmly welcomed by Barak Museum and Library, Bantarapur, Manipuri Cultural Forum, Assam and the Department of Manipuri, Assam University, Silchar. Dr. Ais Rajmani Singha, founder, Barak Museum and Library, and ISOD, Manipuri, Assam University, Silchar, MG Madhuchandra Singha, President, Manipuri Cultural Forum, Assam. Madam ki mapam dama ki felicitation ki kudol portion ki kusin bina bagi damakta ngasi ki president ki pampam langda lekting bi reba MG Madhuchandra ki mapam dahanga. Tagasali, matang pirapa guest ki warolda, matang thamjari basi, distinguished guest ki pampam namda lekting bireba, hausik na member of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi ki Oza Dr. K.N. Sanmu, tentak na wapong thabirana bagi tabakta tausinjari.